Hey, what's up YouTube? CharlesLane27 here, and today I'm going to be doing a little unboxing and tutorial of how to set up your unbranded homogenizer from either Amazon or eBay, which I believe it's the same one. I don't know what the exact make and model number is of it. That's why I'm saying that it's unbranded, but let's just get into it and open it up. So, it comes in this box. Already opened the box. I cut it. This, I don't know what the hell it is, but it says something about please enjoy blah 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 blah. And then it says maintenance instructions after long-term use. Follow your urethane tool. In high speed of homogenizer is a wear part which can be replaced. Oh, okay, so it is saying that one of the tools or whatever can be replaced. It's telling you what tools can be replaced on this thing, but it doesn't really show a picture of what tool is which, so that doesnn't help me. But anyways, let's pull this out of the box. Yeah, that really doesn't help me at all because it just doesn't give you a picture of the tool. But that's the whole purpose of why I am making this tutorial. Now, some of these, from what I know, come with a glass thing. And so they come with like these. I got ones that come with like a glass tube or like a test tube or a beaker of some sort. The only way I can really describe it is it literally looks like a freaking crack pipe or something. It looks like a crack pipe. It's not a crack pipe. It's just a. It's not for meth either. It's a piece of lab equipment. But in here, you have one of these. So, yeah. Well, actually, you have a few of them of different sizes. One of those. So you get like a whole bunch of them. And then, so I don't know what to expect. Don't quote me on this if I get something wrong. This is going to be a new learning experience for me, but we'll figure this out as we go along. So, let's clean all this up later. Oops. Oh, there's another part that fell on the floor, but that's alright. Let's see here. Fucking stool. I'm doing this in my kitchen right now, so. And one of the fucking beaker things just broke. You know what? I don't fucking care because I'm not gonna use it anyways, so I'm not saying I'm not gonna use this thing. I'm just saying I'm not gonna use these. And I think that one was supposed to sit flat, but I figured some of these fucking things were gonna go on the floor. Part of my French. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, this is what makes my videos a lot longer than what they should be. Fucking Chinese bastards. I mean, the way I say that, you know, I mean, I don't really have anything against China, but I mean, I think that they could take a little bit more pride in their work in the manufacturing industry. God, I hope I don't get demonetized for saying fucking Chinese bastards. I didn't really mean it. It's just an expression.